Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to log yourself out of all devices on Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using a public device such as a computer library and you logged onto Asana and you want to go ahead and make sure that you're actually logged out. How do you actually go ahead and log yourself out of all devices on Asana? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner. Next, click on Settings. Then from here, you're going to click on Account. And then from here, you're going to scroll all the way down to where it says Log Out Other Sessions. So what this is going to do is that it's going to log you out of all sessions except on this current browser. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and log yourself out of all devices on Asana. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.